So guys, mainit-init to. Nilik to ni the Apple Hub, and these are the allegedly specs ng iPhone 16 na series. So iPhone 16, meron sa 6.1 inch display, 60Hz screen refresh rate, A18 chip. And it's priced at $799, which is roughly around 46,000 pesos if I'm correct. Apple 16 Plus, 6.7 inch and 60Hz pa rin, A18 chip, and priced at $899. And Apple 16 Pro, 6.3 inch display, finally 120Hz screen refresh rate, titanium design, A18 Pro chip, and it's priced at around $1,099 dollars. And iPhone 16 Pro Max, 6.9 inch display, bigger, 120Hz screen refresh rate, titanium design, A18 chip, and well, it's priced at